Go Yard.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, won't stand. 2 hoes, 10 toes, new guac, kind of bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks, Jackie Chan, how she play. Bad bitch, throw back, I just hit another lick and she be counting in my restaurant. I be feeling hella rich, no Brian, 100 stack, about to make another hit, God, bitch, in my life. Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, won't stand. 2 hoes, 10 toes.
So it's the first year with Liberty Walk, Toshi, the CEO. It's our pleasure, and this is the Z that we are building with the ARMYTRIX full exhaust system, titanium blue tips, beautiful white body. Really appreciate the opportunity with Liberty Walk.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And also quality is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get a surprise. And the sound is awesome.
Yeah, we do a lot of tuning inside the mufflers. It's gonna sound much louder. The quality is good compared to the stock exhaust. So yeah, good stuff.
Yeah, we have more
on the other side.
Yeah,
let's go check it out.
Also
very good. Stock exhaust. 20S, we already debuted the first one in SEMA.
Yeah, to SEMA.
It's the purple one, and this is the second one. We built Liberty Walk. As you can see, carbon tips, full exhaust system, decatted downpipes with ceramic coating. Yeah, and then we got the GR86 Toyota, and then we also have the LC500, one of the best selling model.
Especially LC.
Yeah.
So sound is good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because many people ask me about the LC.
LC?
Yeah.
Okay. And so in the future, there will be more projects coming out with Liberty Walk. They will be building something, the diffuser, the bumper. They will probably do something that's doesn't go with the stock accent. So we will be having more like special projects. There will be exhausts specifically made for Liberty Walk body kit. So looking forward next year and moving forward. And
yeah, more stuff is coming with ARMYTRIX.
Yeah.
Because Liberty Walk ARMYTRIX is like a big family,
big family.
Right? Yeah.
So yeah, it's a good start and looking forward.
Yep.
Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I just hit another lick and she be counting in my restaurant. I be feeling hella rich, no Brian, 100 stack, about to make another hit, God, bitch, in my life. Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, won't stand. 2 hoes, 10 toes, new guap, kind of bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks, Jackie Chan, how she bad. Bad bitch, throw back. I just hit another lick and she be counting in my restaurant. I be feeling hella rich, no Brian, 100 stack, about to make another hit, God, bitch, in my life. If she fucking with me, then you know I got it better. I be feeling like a Uzi, got my mind up on the check, foot loose, getting goofy with your hoe, she love me better. I ain't talking ass cash, but that bitch she be bad. And I posted out with twin glass and four bitches, no face, I want to into the bag, just completing dirty dishes, doing mops and shots to your spot with no limits. Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, won't stand. 2 hoes, 10 toes, new guap, kind of bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks, Jackie Chan, how she bad. Bad bitch, throw back. I just hit another lick and she be counting on my wrestling.